the attitude towards Mexicans from other regions? For example, someone from Saltillo working along the border, or El Bajo region, or vice versa. Is there any, maybe it's stereotypes, or what is the general opinion on that? Is there anything to worry about?
Yes, no. So sorry. The question is inside. What is the
Between one region,
Mhm.
Mexicans in one region towards attitudes towards Mexicans of another region? Is there
No,
anything we need to know about?
no. It's just different kind of even we different kind of cultures. We in the north, for example, inside the Mexico, in the north, we same thing. We take more care, about do business with the with the people from a center of Mexico. Not too much with the south, but in the center, because in the center of Mexico, it's concentrated a lot of population, and but no, it's not major. It's just where we are different, In the north, we are more probably not to open it, less on the south and the center, but just as internal, differences between us. In the south, everyone is very well talking about inside Mexico only, not the foreigners. In the south, they are everyone is very well received. They are very happy people, very friendly. And in the center, yeah, we are, everyone as well. Just need to take more careful about people from the center not take some kind of advantage from people from the north or from the south. And in the north, we are more probably a little bit more not to open it, for see people from a center on the south, but it is just internal Mexican custom. But no, we receive everyone very very well. Just we are Mexicans. We are family. We are, but this different kind of culture.
We've gotten